So we've got my endoscope just there with water pooling around the outlet to the right of that. We have the bath running at the moment. The toilet is also leaking, which I can't actually get access to, but we found a point of where we need to rip out. So my endoscope is there. We need to make sure our orientation is right when we go back upstairs. So remember, we're facing towards the back of the property, exactly where this is. Let's put the borescope down, and that's why you can still hear it. So I'm not too sure if there's any other bathrooms in this property. Yeah, there's one other one with the ensuite. Kitchen should run separate. We will check that, but we may have to just isolate this bathroom. Let's go. Okay, so let me see if I can get you a clear picture of the leak. That's the flush cone, which is leaking there. Not a significant amount. We have the leak from the flush pipe, which you can see is right on the bend, and it's coming from the bottom of the system. And then, bear with me again, so that is the only leak. That bit of pipe there is a redundant pipe that was actually replaced with a flexi pan connector, which I can't get access to underneath, but that pipe here needs to be replaced. I'm going to isolate this toilet and I'll take the seat down. That's not going to be usable for now. And then, okay, so I've had to make quite a big hole because there was a lot of obstructions in the way. We can see signs of water here, but no actual physical water, and I have a feeling that's going to be travelling across from the back of the toilet or kitchen, which is right here. So we need to do some further digging. We're going to patch that hole up in a bit once we've finished making as much mess as we need to, but whatever is in that corner is unrelated to the leak that are having downstairs. Let's get the camera underneath here. In actual fact, it could be the washing machine that's been leaking at some point, but there is a soil stack somewhere over this side, but as ever, nothing's accessible, because why would it be? Just no, it wasn't really broken. That washing machine door is very broken. So let's start probing around, see what else we can find. So you can actually see damp patches inside this box in here. So the leak is definitely above that. So let's measure that out. The external wall. That height that runs down, so it runs inside that wall. That there is exactly where the leak is coming from, and it's spreading because it's on this still. And directly below is where, there we go, which is around that stack, which means it's going to be flat E, quite possibly, that's possibly leaking. Or, there we go. So that runs directly through, and that is leaking directly and tracking through, which will mean we need to go into flat B, get in underneath the bath. We're probably going to have to get the bath out. That'll be fun. Right, so we've now got this opened up, and we found it. Flush cone is broken, and it is leaking all the way down there. All of this soil stack is dry, although it does show evidence of it previously leaking. The bathroom extractor leaks, or it drains into there, I think. Doesn't go externally, and the soil stack runs down there, and that runs from the neighbour's side, which looks like it could also be leaking, which is why that dump is showing up right there. So in essence, this toilet's got to be taken out completely, all of this boxing, the basin, ideally not the bath, but potentially the bath. Pan connectors got to be replaced. We will have to do, tell you what, let me see if I can get the camera in there. So we now have no leaks. So let's give this another flush. That's going to take a while to dry out. This one under here, again, everything's been retightened, so we shouldn't have any more issues with that. and the rest of the staining is either going to be from previous leaks, or I can't guarantee you're not going to have any more leaks from above. What I can say is this was one of the biggest leaks that was causing the issue downstairs, so that is now resolved.